Aloe vera has been hailed as a natural remedy for various digestive problems, but there's more to this plant than meets the eye. Let's dive into the surprising truth about aloe vera for stomach issues that nobody tells you. The digestive power of aloe vera. Aloe vera juice contains enzymes that aid in the breakdown of sugars and fats, promoting smoother digestion. It may also help decrease irritation in the stomach and intestines, potentially benefiting those with inflammatory bowel disorders. Some studies suggest that aloe vera can soothe an upset stomach and support overall digestive health. Acid reflux relief. If you're struggling with heartburn, aloe vera might be your new best friend. The compounds in aloe vera juice can help control stomach acid secretion, potentially providing relief from acid reflux and even combating gastric ulcers. The IBS connection. For those battling irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, aloe vera shows promise. Some research indicates that aloe vera may help balance gut bacteria and reduce inflammation in the intestines. However, it's important to note that studies have shown mixed results, and more research is needed to confirm its effectiveness for IBS. The laxative effect, a double-edged sword. While aloe vera can help with constipation due to its laxative properties, this effect can be a double-edged sword. The outer portion of the plant contains compounds called anthraquinones, which have a strong laxative effect. However, prolonged use of aloe vera as a laxative can lead to dependence and potentially harmful side effects. The surprising prebiotic potential. Recent scientific data suggests that compounds in aloe vera, particularly asamanin, may act as a prebiotic. This means it could stimulate the growth of beneficial bacteria in your gut, potentially improving your overall digestive health and even supporting your immune system. The caution you need to know. Despite its potential benefits, aloe vera juice isn't without risks. Overconsumption can lead to abdominal pain, diarrhea, and electrolyte imbalances. In rare cases, it has been linked to acute hepatitis. Always consult with a healthcare professional before adding aloe vera juice to your diet, especially if you're pregnant, nursing, or taking medications. While aloe vera shows promise for various stomach issues, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Its effects can vary from person to person, and more research is needed to fully understand its impact on digestive health. As with any natural remedy, moderation and professional guidance are key to safely harnessing the potential benefits of aloe vera for your stomach health.